Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm in quite a bit more pain more than usual. So if I'm a little off, yeah, don't mind me. But I figured I'm going to be doing my makeup anyways, no matter what. So I wanted to come on here and choose the Night Master or the Day Slayer by Morphe. This one I have used, and it is a very peachy, beautiful, definitely daytime look, but you can transform it into a nighttime look, absolutely. Then the night one is these retail for $15, which is a phenomenal price. They're very heavy. I mean, not too heavy, but they're, sturdy, and they have a great mirror. And then I have this one, which is the more purpley, burgundy, plum shade. So I am just feeling the daytime palette more, you just gravitate towards what you want to wear. So that is what it's going to be. So I should put the nighttime one away. I was not sure, but I'm going to use this one. I dug into that already. It is a phenomenal palette. So I brought my brushes out here in hopes that it won't be a very long video, like an hour. I'm only going to do my eyeshadow tutorial, and then I'm going to do my eyeliner, everything else off camera, because it takes me forever. So in this one, they have the names very easily to read. I don't know why all the other companies cannot just go along with that, but I'm going to go into natural all over my lid. And yeah, I mean, it's just very simple. Just imprint the name in white. I mean, you can read it. It's very visual. It's there. It's not on a little piece of film that you end up taking off and throwing away. So just my opinion, just going to go in all over the lid because it is a natural color, and I am using the eyelid primer from Morphe. I've tried it for a few days now, so I have to say it's not bad. I do like using my paint pot from MAC a little bit better than that. So, but it was $10, so it's worth trying out, and I will use it. So, but the concealer, I have not tried again because my first experience was like horrifying. It all creased up real bad. I'm going to go into Forever, which is like a kind of a camel toned light yellow. It's pretty nice. And I'm going to go up right here and then bring it down. And every time I've used these palettes, people are like, oh, your eyes look really pretty. I mean, these palettes are just so affordable and so, I hope I'm not covering the camera. Yell at me if I do. So yeah, so affordable, so worth it. Absolutely. So I had to go to the dentist yesterday for my urgent matter because of my jaw. The way that my jaw has malformed itself. Basically this whole part has caved in and it's pushed this part out. So these teeth hit up here and they're hitting directly to the nerve, and it's pushed out, and it's hard to explain, but the part that touches your lip to your gum has pulled my gums all the way down, so I'm down to complete bone and nerve, and the two front teeth are, she said, just a little bit loose. I was like, oh fuck, man, here we go. Ain't life grand? So they got me in for a cleaning. I went in at 4 for the pain. He said, I'm sorry, there's just nothing I can do. You're just gonna have to take pain pills, and then Yeah, he's been my dentist for a while, and he knows what I'm going through. And he said, wear your night guard during the day. Of course, when I'm at home, I'm not going to go out with it. It's a big, bulky night guard. But, and he said, put Sensodyne in the night guard where it really hurts and take pain pills. But anyways, my life, you don't want to know because it's just horrifyingly painful. Now I'm going to go into, I got to go into this one right here, this orange one called Upbeat. It's a very pretty orange. Okay, now I am using my Wayne Gauze brush set. These are the ones from last year. I'm going to go right in the crease, and I want to build this one up really good because this is a really bright color, and I'm going for a real kind of orange, peachy day look. So it is Friday. Woohoo! I bet you guys are all excited. Happy birthday, Maria. I know it's your birthday. It's one of my subscribers. She's great. She's been a very faithful, she's just a great subscriber. Like, I feel I know some of my subscribers personally, and she's one of them. And all you guys are amazing. Just truly amazing. So I'm just blending now. And then I'm going to go in with that same brush, because why not? And I'm going to go in the crease, literally, with this one. It's a more, just a little bit more, I think, of a bright, it was definitely more bright. Again, I'm going for a very bright daytime look. And I tried to look up to see if these are truly limited, and I couldn't find out, but I don't know. If they are, they're 15 bucks if you can get your hands on them. I'd say grab one because they're beautiful, super pigmented. I don't have to spray my brush. I mean, you can for more payoff, but you don't have to. And I love that. I just enjoy a good palette that's affordable, that's giving me more than my money's worth, you know? So I hope you guys can see I'm really building up the orange quite a bit. I'm even going to bring it down. I'm going to bring it out a little bit right here, just to my brow, and then in my lid. And then the same on this. Bring it out to my brow and into my lid. Now I don't usually go that far out with my eyeshadow unless, I don't know, I just, you know, I get in that mood, and I'm just in that mood. Now I'm going to go on the lid. Let's try and find me a good lid brush. Another Wayne Gauze. And I'm going to go in the lid with Glow. This one. If I could keep the mirror down out of your face. Right here. Glow. So we're going to go in with that. I'm not spraying any of my brushes. Again. And there's just a little bit of fallout. A little bit of fallout in the pan, but it's nothing major at all. And I'm just going to dab that on my lid. It'll be bright like the sunlight. That is gorgeous. I got my packages mailed. Woohoo! Super happy about that. So, when did I mail them? Was it yesterday or the day before? To the Two of them were for the declutter mirror and jeez, my mind right now. I'm packing this on the lid like crazy. I mean, I could have spritzed my brush and it would have saved some time, but I didn't bring my spray out here and I don't need it. It's beautiful. Okay, now, and I can't think of, oh, Tina. Sorry, Tina. I want to go in the corner of my eye and I'm going to use highlight right here. Just to go in the corner of the eye. So right here. Oop, went in the wrong color. We've been watching The Ranch. I know I mentioned that last time. It was so flippin' hilarious. I think we've almost finished it. I hope they're coming out with a new season soon. If you guys know a good show on Netflix, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know. Because, again, we're almost done with that. And I'm like thinking of what are we going to watch next. So I had some baked powder under my eye. I'm cooking. I'm baking. I'm baking right here, right here. Okay. Now, I'm going to go under my eye because I can put concealer all the way up to the tip. That way I can finish my eye look on here. And then go do the rest of my room and come back with my final thoughts. I'm not going to say things like, I'm shook or I'm not mad at it. Because I'm not gonna lie, those just annoy the fuck out of me. Like crazy. Okay. Anyways, back to the eyeshadow. I am very orangied out. Woo, baby. I feel like the sunset. Okay, so we're gonna blend it just a little bit. You know what? On my crease, I need to go in a little bit with this one. And then this one, right here. Okay. And that is bitchy. Okay. I love this Kat Von D brush, double-sided. I have had this forever and ever. Now I'm going to go in with Sweet, which is like, you know, black color. And I'm going to go in on the corner. Do you see that little plume of color come off? I'm going to go in the corner right there. And bomb. Okay. Right here. Yeah, so yesterday was a full-on dentist day. Back and forth, back and forth. I'm just like, whatever, just, you know, already make me some teeth. I can't get the implants where they screw them in, though, because my jaw. So that was more great news. I'm like, okay. So I'm going to have a little pop-out kind. I'm mentally preparing myself for this, because it's going to happen. I mean, whatever. But I'm going to be extra careful with them. I'm going to bring this out a little bit with the orange. Kind of like a wing going out. Fly away, baby. So when the time comes, it's not such a fucking shock. I know as we get older, shit happens, but I ain't that fucking old. But okay. Just like, okay. I don't even care anymore. So I have to get the kind that pop out. My mom had some in the front. My nephew was a newborn, and well, not a newborn. He was like 2 or 3, and she would like pop him out and scare him. It was, when I think of it now, it was funny. So that kind of keeps me like in the funny mood of, okay, you know, well, I'll be able to pop my teeth in and out. Well, a couple of them, not all of them. Jesus, eventually maybe. Now I'm using a Morphe, and these are so affordable, you guys. Like, I'm talking $2, $3, $5. I highly recommend them. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with, I gotta clear my palette. All right. Okay, let's see here. Geez, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, what to use. I'm going to go in with Define because it is kind of in the area of a neutral brown, but it looks like it has like just a slight orange tint. I'm just going to go on with it right here and blend with the brown. Hopefully this video is not like an hour friggin' long. I'm sorry, you guys. That's why I have to do the rest off camera, because otherwise you'll be here all day with me. Alrighty. After I do my concealer and all that and clean it up, I think it's gonna look really good. That really kind of just combined the black and kind of offset the whole look, I think. I'm going to just blend underneath a little. And then I'm going to go finish the rest of my face. I'll have eyeliner and all that on. And I will be back. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I finished up my eyes. I think my eyeliner turned out pretty good. I used that LA Girl one. And I happen to really, really like that as a really #1 right now in my eyeliner stash. And then I used the Jeffree Star Anna Nicole lipstick. And so I got a lot of peachy tone going on. And so anyways, as for the palette, the Day Slayer palette from Morphe, which retails for $15. I have to say this is one of my favorite palettes. Morphe is really, really killing it with the palettes, the prices, the pigmentation is phenomenal. Super blendable. I did not have to wet my brush, use my fingers. You are getting 22.5 grams, 15 colors, and for 15 bucks, so $1 per shade is just phenomenal. I go to the drugstore like Walgreens and I'm looking at palettes and now they're like $19.99. I'm like, what the hell happened to drugstore prices? So thank you Morphe for staying affordable and reliable. I highly would recommend these. I will come on and do the Night Slayer palette if you would like. And I have one called Hey Girl, Hey or something or another. Anyways, I have a few Morphe palettes. If you'd like to see another tutorial, let me know. And as for the giveaway, I'm still working on it. I have 2 brush sets. And Maria, I will be shipping you out something for your birthday. Happy birthday. And thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell and follow me on Instagram, Susan Young 1974. You guys have a good weekend. If I don't see you over the weekend, stay safe and thank you for watching. Bye.